Everyone, I'm Chokobela. Welcome to yet another awesome video about TBC, TMT, TST, and today I want to advise TBC members. Okay, I want to advise TBC members. Now, this is not a video to criticize the TBC admin. Okay, the man can do what he wants with his business. Okay, but this is a video to advise TBC members. Okay, because I know a lot of you are riding on the hope that you have lots of TBC worth lots of money in your wallet, but you're still wondering when can you use it, how can we use it, and some of you are paying admin fee because you don't want to miss the opportunity to be able to use your coin. Okay, well, the fact is this: if there's going to be any value to the coin, I don't know what the plan the TBC admin has for that, but you should not rely on that. I have $2 billion worth of TBC. I should be feeling on top of the world, but I am not. Okay? I am not feeling on top of the world because I, as a business person, is looking for a way to spend at least half of what TBC I received since day one. I started accepting TBC as a means of payment, whether it's part or full. Okay? But that's not the reason I'm doing this video. The reason I'm doing this video is to inform you guys and advise you guys that for you to start making money in TBC right now, you do not have to rely on the coin. Okay? The TBC admin also confirmed that when he wrote the article saying that passive income is better than transactional income. So what am I referring to? I'm referring to the Bitcoin bounty. Now, why I'm referring to the Bitcoin bounty is that the why I'm referring to the Bitcoin bounty is because most of you guys are paying admin fee, but you guys are not tapping into what can pay you for the admin fee you are paying for. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You are paying the TBC admin, but you're not getting something in return. Yes, you might be giving some TBC, but 4 years has gone and nothing tangible. The coin has not been, manifested to anything tangible in terms of spending it or exchanging it. So why are you paying admin fee just for you to gather more coins and hold? Why not pay admin fee and participate in the Bitcoin bounty? Because my advice is, if you are going to pay admin fee, then make sure you participate in the Bitcoin bounty. Okay? If you are paying admin fee, you make sure you meet up the requirement to have Bitcoin bounty enabled for your platform, for your Kringle Cash back office. Now, when it's enabled, you can then embank on referring people, at least minimum of 2 persons who will join TBC and register on Kringle Cash, pay the admin fee. Automatically, you receive payment. For those 2 people, and you can withdraw immediately, or you can use it to pay for next month's admin fee. Okay? So, but it doesn't make sense paying admin fee and relying on the coin. Don't do that. Okay? Don't do that. I pay admin fee, okay, despite the fact that my business has stopped accepting TBC as payment. But I pay admin fee for 2 reasons. One reason only. That is to bring information and educate you guys about TBC. Because the monetization of TBC blog has led to people falling for fake information on social media. Most of my friends are TBC members because when I lost my when Facebook took down my first account, no reason explained, nothing given. But when it took down my first account, I created another one, and the people I made as my friends on my Facebook are TBC members. So I have about 1,000 and something friends who are TBC members, who are majority of them, 99.99% of them are TBC members. So I see what they share, I see what is being sold to them. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I'm paying the admin fee, to be able to provide information to you guys. Now, for you out there who is a TBC member that is paying admin fee and collecting 30 TBC, collecting 30 TBC is worthless unless you can use it to buy stuff, unless you can exchange it for cash. Okay, none of that have been provided, so it doesn't make sense paying that just for uh, doesn't make sense paying admin fee just to receive more coins adding to the ones that you have. Are you the only one that want to be a gazillionaire? Okay, but it makes sense if you pay admin fee and you participate in the Bitcoin bounty, and by participating in the Bitcoin bounty you will be able to introduce some people into TBC who you teach the same. Okay, so I might have beef with the TBC admin when it comes to the coin itself not having any value and not supporting merchants, but I do not have beef with TBC admin when it comes to the network marketing aspect and and the charity aspect, that is the TBC goodwill. Okay, it makes sense. It's humanitarian to give aid or to assist the non-privileged. Okay, but at the same time you who is contributing have to make sure that you make money. We are in an era, we are in a period where the economy is slowing down. It doesn't make sense paying admin fee and not making money from TBC. So if you want to make money from TBC, you have to, if you're paying admin fee and you want to make money from TBC, you have to stop giving a damn about the coin and focus on the Bitcoin bounty. The beauty thing about the Bitcoin bounty is that if you refer to people and they pay the admin fee, instantly in your back office you will have your commission there. You can request a withdrawal and the TBC admin will process that as long as the Bitcoin network is not congested. Okay, so that's my advice. Now, for those of you guys who want to participate in the Bitcoin bounty aspect, all you have to do, all you have to do is make sure you at least 2 set button meetings, make sure you pay admin fee, okay, and make sure your profile is okay. At least these 3 things. Then what I can do personally for you to be able to be successful is that I'm going to give you one of my books on network marketing for free. It's an ebook, so I'm going to leave a link in the below, or if you want it, all you have to do is drop your email. Okay, drop your email and I will give, or drop a comment and I will give you the link, or the link is going to be in the description below. Depends on whether the link is ready after I have edited this video. Okay, but most importantly, in the description below, and if you have the Billion Coin app, okay, so if you have this app, on a weekly basis or on a daily basis, I will be sharing the link so that those of you guys who have the app can download the ebook and study it on how to be able to promote the Bitcoin aspect of TBC to people out there using social media, because all my career in network marketing have always been social media. Okay, I've done some seminars, but all the marketing efforts that I've done so far with the success I've achieved so far has always been online and is documented on the ebook. It was written back then when I was active in Helping Hands International. Okay, so some of you might see reference to Helping Hands International, but the step-by-step process of marketing your opportunity online applies to any business opportunity that you have. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, thank you for being awesome and continuously watching my videos and being a subscriber to my channel. And make sure you share this video with every single TBC out there. Okay, It's better to pay admin fee and participate in the Bitcoin bounty than pay admin fee and hope on the coin. Okay, so if you cannot participate, if you cannot pay admin fee, and still, sorry, if you are going to pay admin fee and depend on the coin, then it's best you don't pay admin fee at all and save yourself that stress. Okay, but if you actually want to make money in TBC right now, Bitcoin bounty is the way to go. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed and have a happy weekend.